Hey guys, how's it going? It's Liliya here from the Luxy hair team, and I just got out of the shower and I figured since I'm doing my hair anyway, drying it and styling it, I'll show you guys how I do it and what my hair routine looks like. Anybody with long hair knows just how long it can really take to wash it and dry it and style it. So over the years, I compiled a few tips and tricks that I'm going to be sharing with you on how to style hair like this, but much faster. I don't always blow dry my hair, but when I do, tip number one is to always make sure that it air dries until about 80%. This saves a ton of time, damages your hair less, and also you can do other stuff while you wait for the hair to dry. Another time-saving technique is to do your hair treatments and hair masks either before or during the shower. I like to use coconut oil once a week so that it keeps my hair shiny and moisturized. Then I go in and use this detangling spray that I got at a beauty supply. And I always use heat protectant. If you want your hair to be healthy and shiny, then you absolutely have to do this step. So for this first step of the blow dry, I take the nozzle off and dry my hair upside down for extra volume, almost completely. Then the nozzle goes back on and I separate my hair in two parts, front and back. And for this next step, I'll be using a round brush and my nozzled hair dryer. So I'm not sure why I do this, but I find this is the most comfortable technique for me. So instead of having the nozzle placed dead on, I turn it slightly at an angle so that when it connects with the brush, a larger surface area is covered, and I find it dries quicker. When you're almost done, click that cool button and go over the hair once again to cool it down and help seal the cuticle. This way your hair will be really shiny. And once you're done, just do the exact same thing with the rest of your hair. I dry this one not upside down because it's just a little bit easier on my arms. And that's it. Because we air dried the hair in the beginning, this took me about 10 to 15 minutes while it normally takes forever to dry. Okay, now on to styling. Again, curling hair takes forever, so here's a trick. Take two elastics and put your hair in two high ponytails. Then start curling your hair in sections. After they've completely cooled down, take them out and voila, you have beautiful curls. Now on to creating some volume at the roots. I like to use a texturizing powder or a natural dry shampoo powder to add that volume and massage it into my roots like this. You can also put some in your hands and scrunch your hair up like this for even more volume. And that's it! Before I used to dread washing and curling my hair, but honestly when you use these tips, it really cuts the time down, which is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any requests for videos you'd like to see in the future, please be sure to let me know in the comments below. Have a beautiful day. See you soon!